Let's take a few minutes to walk you through what happens next and how to get the absolute most out of your program. Once you complete your onboarding form, we'll start building your campaign. Within 2 to 3 business days, you'll receive an email with all of your campaign details. From there, we'll schedule round 1 of service, usually within 1 to 2 weeks of signing up. Each month, you'll receive 2 full rounds of service. That's 200 plus targeted calls per round, adding up to 400 plus outbound calls per month on your behalf. This is where we do the heavy lifting to put you in front of the right referral partners. In your onboarding email, you'll also find instructions on syncing your calendar. This is important so we can book warm introductions directly onto your schedule. We'll also button up any loose ends before we start making calls, so when we reach out on your behalf, everything runs smoothly. You're going to see 2 types of connections come your way. Level 1 connections. These are the hottest. They're booked directly onto your calendar. These are individuals who have all but said they're very interested in meeting with you and exploring a long-term partnership. All you have to do is show up, make the introduction, and start the relationship. Level 2 connections. These are people who couldn't commit to a specific day and time, but they've requested more information by email and have agreed that it's okay for you to follow up with a phone call directly. While not quite as hot as level 1, these are still very qualified because they're expecting your email and your call. They've opened the door. You just need to walk through it. Once we finish a round of calls, it's your turn to shine. Your responsibility is to follow up and nurture both levels of connections. That means calling them, emailing them, texting them, dropping off business cards, and whenever possible, meeting them in person. The goal is to build the relationship, show them the quality of your work, and deliver for them and their clients at the highest level. While you're doing that, we'll be prepping the next round of calls, so in about 2 weeks, you'll get another batch of connections. Then the cycle repeats and your referral network starts stacking. So that's what to expect as we get started. We'll handle the outbound calls and introductions, and you handle the follow-up and relationship building. Together, we're going to build you a powerful referral engine that drives recurring business month after month. We're excited to see the results you'll create with Contractor Automated. Welcome to the family.